Yong! Today we're doing no-bake desserts. If you hate baking, this video is for you.
Don't forget to thumb this video!
This could be your sign to start making your own ice cream sandwiches.
Here's how to make these Oreo ice cream sandwiches. Start by crushing whole Oreos in a food processor or whack them in a Ziploc bag. Reserve 100 grams of crumbs for later and add the rest to a mixing bowl. Add melted butter and mix until it looks like wet sand. Add half of this mixture to a 9x9 inch lined pan and pack it down into a flat layer. Chill it in the fridge while you make the filling. Beat whipped cream and vanilla extract until it becomes firm peaks. Pour in condensed milk while folding it all together. Also fold in the Oreo crumbs you set aside earlier. Pour this on top of the crust and freeze for 2 to 3 hours until the surface is firm to the touch. Spread the rest of the Oreo crumb mixture on top and press gently. Freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight.
Welcome back to our kitchen! I have a feeling this is going to be much easier than your baking desserts? Baked desserts. Baked desserts.
I cannot compute.
If you've been watching us for a while, you know that we just struggle with baking. So I feel like we could actually nail these no-bake desserts.
We just chuck it all in the fridge.
Right? You don't even need to
Overnight.
put it in the oven. Can't go wrong, right?
As long as we measure.
For this recipe, we're gonna need a lot of Oreos. Well, it kind of depends on how big your ice cream sandwich tin container that you're making it in is. We've got 5 packets of Oreos here. Ready, blitz! All up, we have 600 grams of Oreo dirt. We've already put aside 100 grams. The rest of this we're gonna add butter to. Pour in our melted butter. Mix, mix, mix. We've got our Oreo sand mixture here. I've got my tray here, which I've lined with baking paper, and I've used clips to hold them. Let's pop in our base. Zen's just gonna find a utensil to use. We want it like very condensed to get a good like crust. Sponsored by Higgin. Jokes, not really. I'm using Desmond's bottle. Oh, it's so good for the sides. So now we're gonna let this chill in the fridge. Next for the filling, we're gonna use 500 mils of whipping cream. I'm gonna eyeball the vanilla extract. Last time we did this, we made butter, so let's not over whip. Oh, look at the bubbles. I will pour the condensed milk, then you will hold. Ooh. Then we're gonna add in the 100 grams of Oreos we saved.
It's like a McFlurry.
Yeah, McFlurry vibes. Oh, she is thick. Now we're gonna pop our filling on top. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. Lila's gonna love this. Okay, maybe we made too much filling for our tray. I guess we'll just eat it. I'll just scoop it and eat it. Put it in our coffee. Cafe creation. Next, we have to be patient because this has to go in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours before we can put the top layer on. After 2 hours, we're ready to top it off with our Oreo sand. Now we're gonna freeze this overnight.
Tomorrow.
It's like, who are they? Like, we're completely different without our faces. Ice cream sandwiches are ready to be cut out. It's rock solid.
Whoa.
Peel it.
Oh, I see the layer.
Ooh. I already can tell that our ice cream sandwich may not be balanced. Like, I feel like we did a very thick crust. Oops. We're not good at dividing.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Why is it so hard?
Oh.
I got into
You got it.
My knife's not long enough.
Okay, you got it.
I got it. Oh my gosh. I'm sweating.
You got it. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Whoa.
We got there.
Oh, that looks thick.
She is thick. We make really cute ones. Oh, nice. Oh, my bottom fell off.
Oh, so cute.
Look how cute they are. Now we have like mini ones. I feel like this is gonna be good. Cheers.
How can it not be good?
Wow.
Wow.
Ours is melting really fast, so you gotta eat quick. My advice, don't cut like a big piece like hers, because halfway through, I think it'll be melted. It's good. We're just gonna have to eat this and then rate it.
It kind of feels like I'm eating whipping cream. Like, you know, like it's not ice cream.
It's creamy, but it's light.
I like the crust more.
Than the inside.
Is this healthy?
Must be right.
It's homemade.
Actually, what do you rate it? I really like it, so mine should be
Double
double thumbs.
I feel like I'm going with 1 thumb.
Zen's not a big fan of the filling, maybe because you're picturing like that creamy creamy ice cream.
Yeah.
But you can't, this one is just like a light, doesn't have that thickness.
The texture is more icy than like creamy. But I'll give one. Those up from me though.
I'm just thinking Lila would love this, and it's like great that we made it at home, even though we use so many Oreos, but still like a better alternative, right? I will say though, even though we cut ours smaller, it's so messy to eat.
Yeah. The crumbs still like fall off.
Maybe you gotta wrap it in like baking paper or like something, right? As you're
Yeah.
eating it. Because if you cut a big piece, you gotta scoff that down quick. This no-bake cake looks delicious. First, we're gonna create a Nutella disc, which we're gonna pop in the fridge to harden, and that's gonna go in the center or like one of the layers of the cake. So best to do this first. It's a new one, guys. I ate my one. When I was pregnant, I basically finished a whole Nutella jar by myself. Memories, those were good times. So on a piece of baking paper, I'm just gonna spread a circle shape that's gonna fit into our cake. We're using a cake tin that has a removable base, so hopefully they'll be easier. It's a small one, it's a cute one. We on a diet, not really. I think we're gonna regret this. As in like, I should have bought a bigger pan for this one. So similar to the Oreo ice cream sandwich, we just need to create our base, which is just crushed Oreos and butter. Really pack that base in. Now for the filling, there's gonna be two parts. We're going to whip cream cheese and Nutella together, and then we're going to whip heavy cream and powdered sugar, and then we're gonna fold it all together so it marries.
Oh, it's giving Kinder Bueno.
Oh, Kinder Bueno vibes. I'm excited to try this, guys. This actually looks really promising. Look at that. It looks freaking amazing. I'm just gonna sneak a cheeky. Holding back my emotions. It's disgusting. Like, you're not gonna wanna eat this then. I'll have to eat it all. We're gonna scoop a little bit of that filling in.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes, okay. Let's hope that it can peel it off. It's not even.
It's not disc.
It's not a disc, it's not disc-like yet. Now for the center, we're gonna add a layer of Nutella. It doesn't have to touch the edge, guys. You kind of just want it in the middle, and then adding more filling on top. Clean it up and just put it in my mouth. Okay, this is going in the freezer overnight.
Tomorrow for sure.
Ready for our Nutella cake! I'm gonna like push the base up. Okay.
Ooh.
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 My hand. Put it on something, like a cup.
So smart.
Yeah?
So genius. So genius.
Oh.
Oh, genius. She's a genius. Oh
I'm
my
a genius.
God. I'll take a photo of it. Like a levitated cake.
It looks so good. Okay.
Ew, it actually looks pretty good. I like it that it's so tiny and
It's
cute.
so good. It's like a cake for two, basically, this. Time to decorate. I just melted a little bit of Nutella, and that's just gonna cover our cake.
Okay, maybe I shouldn't have touched it. Okay, no
We're just
touching,
gonna
no
keep
touching.
that texture. You can use crushed Oreo biscuits. We have some crushed pistachios. So we're gonna be fancy. Attempt to decorate our cake.
It's melting.
It's melting. I feel like it's turned to Dubai
Dubai
chocolate
chocolate.
vibes. Okay.
Ooh.
That's pretty good. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's still hard inside.
I think because there's Nutella in the middle, right?
Oh yeah. I don't know if I can cut through that. I don't know, how do I take my knife out without pulling the whole cake?
Oh no, I don't know how to help you.
We leave that knife in there, I get another knife. Because right now I'm lifting the whole cake up. Oh no!
What the heck is happening?
It's that disc. It's so hard.
How to take it out now?
Should I get another knife? And
Small one.
I get a smaller knife. Like lift it up, right? But what if that knife falls?
Okay, I'll hold that, hold that.
Can you hold that knife?
Oh, I think you got it. I think you got it.
I got it.
Keep going. Keep going. You got it. You got it.
Oh, I did it.
show me.
Ah! Get the shot, Zen. Ooh, look at the inside. You can see that layer of Nutella, that disc that we made. Ooh. Can't believe we had to use 3 knives for that. Ours is a little bit hard to dig into. Her one must have been a little bit more melted. I got 1 layer.
This is not how I envisioned it.
It was the most aesthetically pleasing TikTok video, and then we just butchered ours.
This is why we don't do aesthetic stuff, guys, because it looks like this.
Look, just get a bit of everything on your spoon, and then we'll taste test. Cheers. Whoa.
Oh, that's good.
That's so rich, eh?
Oh, that's good.
Wow.
Oh, I love it. I don't even
tastes
like
store-bought.
Nutella, but
That tastes store-bought.
I know.
I love Nutella, so yeah, that's like right up my alley right now. Wow. Okay, okay.
Even the like middle part, that
middle part is
cheesecake
so
part,
good.
yeah, it's so like creamy.
Holy smokes! I can't believe we made this. It tastes like an expensive cake, like a patissiere, and you went to go get a chocolate Nutella cake, and this is what you got. Wow, it tastes so
actually
bougie.
bought it.
I love this. This is the best dessert we've ever made.
Yeah. Oh my god.
But you know what? It's not super cheesy. For a moment there, I forgot that.
It's a cheesecake.
It's a
right?
cheesecake.
You just thought it was a Nutella cake.
Yeah, dessert dance, dessert dance. Gotta try this. If there's something to waste your calories on, it is this cake, guys. Like, I can't stress enough how much I want you guys to try this because you know we're so bad at making cakes.
Yeah.
But this, it's store worthy.
So good.
I feel like this deserves like 10 thumbs up.
I was gonna give it 3 thumbs.
3 thumbs. There you go. 4 thumbs up, guys. You have to try it, and it's pretty easy.
It's so good.
How did we make this? That is insane.
Is this healthy?
This is definitely healthy. Should have made a bigger one. We should have made a bigger one. What were we thinking? We were like, oh, so good, so good. Okay, I always get this dessert when I go to Yum Cha. I'm excited for this because I love mango. We call it mango pancakes.
I think in Yum Cha it's called
Mango pancakes, right? I've never made it though, so hopefully it turns out. We need 16 grams of butter. Ooh, exact. 25 grams of granulated sugar. Mix, mix, mix. I feel like I should share this little fact that I learned about eggs. Usually when I go to the supermarket, I usually go for like the big eggs, but apparently that's laid by big hens, which are older hens. The shell on those big eggs tend to be thinner, whereas the smaller eggs are laid by younger hens, and the shell is thicker, meaning that it will protect the inside better than the bigger eggs with thin shells. Fun fact. In goes milk, 238 grams of milk.
The milk doesn't go in all at once.
It's gonna go in, right?
Yeah.
Okay, blame my instructor here. We messed up. We were supposed to divide our milk in half, but it's okay, it's going in. Ours definitely looks lumpy, but we're gonna strain that.
Welcome to the other side.
Rotate, rotate, flick the wrist.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
That's good,
that's
that's
quite
good, that's
thin.
good.
My non-stick is like not really non-stick anymore. We moved our pan to a bigger induction
Circle.
thing.
Induction stove.
Okay, I didn't really see how she did it.
I mean, she also did this.
She did this, that's all she showed. She just used her spatula to lift the edges.
Oh. Oh, is it getting stuck?
Oh no. I'm trying to shake it, but oh no. Oh no.
This one feels like a fail. Maybe because this pan.
This
the
pan, it's the
induction.
pan. We're gonna perfect this, guys. Just bear with us.
A few moments later.
These were the best looking crepes. 5 good ones and 1 holy one.
So let's get wrapping.
I've already whipped up my cream. I popped it in a sandwich bag to pipe, and then we need diced up mangoes. Okay, wait, how to do
So
this?
3, line 3, so
3.
overlap cream in the middle.
Can you cut me a little hole?
Oh.
Oh, don't know where that went.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Oh, look at you.
I feel like I can kind of be a cake decorator.
And then we need something to smooth it.
What did she use?
She had that flat thing.
What if we don't even? What if I just pipe it so amazingly that we don't have to smooth it? I have so much cream left. What am I gonna do?
Fill in the gap vibes. Ooh, okay, 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 okay.
Okay, Zen my cheerleader.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh yes. Don't hold back on the mango pieces.
Oh.
And now we just fold them up. It's like a blanket. Sleep tight, guys. Tucking you guys in. It's like a big spring roll.
Fat. Oh my god, it's so
Oh,
fat.
it's so
actually.
fat. Oh, it's so fat.
No.
At Yum Cha, they're like this size. Go big or go home. Whoa, whoa, it's opening up. What do I do?
Oh. Whoa! Dude, that's
yummy though.
Like a burrito.
Like, that's so big. That's so big. How are we gonna bite into that? As Zen finds space in the freezer, I'm just gonna go ahead and pipe the next one.
Put it with your breast milk.
Yeah, just put it in my milk drawer.
Pop and queen.
Mango pieces.
Oh, we close it, it's opening.
Oh.
You got it, you got it.
Oh, congratulations. It's a mango crepe. We just made gigantic mango crepes. Like, how are they gonna fit into my mouth? One each? Jokes. Let's cut it. Let's cut it. Oh. I mean, I like mango crepes, but I don't know if I like them this size. It's a whole meal.
Crazy. It's like a Swiss roll. Oh.
Oh, bottoms up. Perfect amount of sweetness. The crepe, we actually made it like not super thick, not super thin. Still holds everything. Mangoes, they're ripe. I think you can't go wrong with this.
Actually, it's good.
It's pretty good.
Airy,
it's
light and
airy and
airy.
fluffy.
Yeah, and it's not sweet.
Oh, not overly sweet. It's just subtle.
Couldn't make a big one. It's good.
I still prefer smaller ones, so I can just like bite into it, you know. Like, but hey, the taste is there.
Just one bite.
Well, do we even have to tell you what we're gonna rate this? It's a double thumbs up.
So good, guys.
So good, must try. Once you nail the crepe, I think the rest is easy peasy.
Wow. That is it to this episode, but let us know if you want to see part 2.
Oh, part 2 of no bake.
Oh. I feel like we're just no bake girlies.
Yeah, that's true. We just want to eat it ASAP.
If you guys want to check out more Kitchen Chaos, we have a whole playlist. And if you're new here, hello, welcome, hit subscribe.
Don't forget to thumb this video.